Welcome to another 1 Minute Science, where we're looking to get to the crux of an exam question, not so much learn about biology itself. I love this question because basically it is an agar plate and they've done an experiment on it to test the effects of different disinfectants, and they're measuring the zones of inhibition. And they're measuring the zones of inhibition on the Petri dish. And the question actually says, what measurement would the scientists need to take to calculate the area where no bacteria were growing? Well, you know that we're measuring a circle, and you also know that to measure the area of that circle, you need to use pi r squared. That's to calculate the area of the circle. The question's asking you what measurement. When you measure something, you use a device. Let's imagine doing this. You're going to use a ruler. Therefore, what do you measure? And the answer is simply the radius, or you could say the diameter.